Ever pondered the secret to extraordinary productivity, creativity, and serenity? What if it all starts at the break of dawn? Today, we delve into the pages of The 5 A.M. Club, the transformative work by Robin Sharma. Chapter 1, The Spell of the Icy Himalayas, introduces us to the artist, the entrepreneur, and the enigmatic billionaire. The trio embarks on a journey after a chance meeting at a conference, setting the stage for a life-altering adventure filled with profound wisdom. The key takeaway here? Life's most magical moments often start with a leap of faith. Journeying to Chapter 2, The Method Revealed, the billionaire unveils the secret to his success, the 5 A.M. Club. Rising before the sun, he argues, provides a quiet hour to focus on personal growth before the world awakes. This 20-20-20 formula, 20 minutes of movement, 20 minutes of reflection, and 20 minutes of growth, sets the tone for a successful day. In Chapter 3, The 4 Interior Empires, we delve deeper into the mind's landscape. Sharma explains the importance of cultivating our mindset, heart set, health set, and soul set. It's not just about mental acuity, but also emotional intelligence, physical health, and spiritual growth. Moving to Chapter 4, The 10 Tactics of Lifelong Genius, we're introduced to the practical tools that can help us master the 4 interior empires. From the twin cycles of elite performance to the second wind workout, each tactic is designed to boost productivity and foster creativity. Chapter 5, The 5 A.M. Club learns the 20-20-20 formula, dives into the specifics of the formula. Each segment of the first hour after awakening serves a crucial role in setting the rhythm for the rest of the day. Chapter 6, The Amazing Adventure Begins, sees our protagonists applying what they've learned, each experiencing a personal transformation. The message is clear: knowledge without application is fruitless. And finally, in Chapter 7, the 5 A.M. Club discovers the habit installation protocol. The billionaire shares the secret to making the 5 A.M. Club a habit. It's about consistency, and the 66-day rule is the key to success. In summary, the 5 A.M. Club by Robin Sharma is a treasure trove of wisdom, offering a blueprint for holistic success. It guides us to harness the power of the early morning, cultivate our 4 interior empires, and consistently apply the 20-20-20 formula. Remember, the secret to extraordinary productivity, creativity, and serenity is not far away. It begins with the ring of an alarm clock at 5 a.m. So, are you ready to join the club?